Baby, be quiet. Baby, move back.
Yeah.
Baby, yeah?
Wow.
Oh my goodness. Oh, that's good. There's another one.
It's hanging on multiple branches, so.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Won't they all come out?
They'll just.
They'll stay wherever
If the queen's
might
there,
get away.
then they'll stay there. Otherwise, they can fly out. So that's why I'm doing it very slowly, very gently.
What happens if the queen leaves? Will
And
they
they
all leave?
follow her.
You would have all of them just fly out, literally, out of the box.
And would they sting you?
No? I could probably do it without the gloves if you want.
No, keep them on.
But it's just in case if I squash one bee, I could get stung from just by squashing, by moving them. That's the only reason why.
Baby, move back, please, because you've got no cover on.
I need to see this video after. It looks so cool.
Can you just use my video because you're covered and take video for yourself? Just filming.
This one?
Yeah.
So where'd you take them?
I've never been checking if the queen's there.
I think it's funny.
See, I would check if the queen's there, but the queen's not there. Not in this batch.
Is she bigger? Or?
Yeah, she's much bigger. So you.
Wait, is the queen already in there?
Maybe.
Or will he check at the end?